DistroKid now has an online mastering service. It's called Mixea, and I've tried other online mastering services before. Some didn't do so well. Some did an all right job. This is the first time that I'm going to be trying this one out, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is going to turn out. And if you're a DistroKid member, you get your first master for free, which is what I'm going to be doing right here. And if you're not a DistroKid member, be sure to use the link down in the description. You'll save 7% off your annual membership, which is right around $20. And this is going to allow you to release unlimited numbers of songs to Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, all of the major online music stores, and you keep 100% of the royalties. Seriously, it is an excellent service. Now, let's look at the mastering service. And to access it, you just log into your DistroKid account, and from the main page here, we just click on Master a Track. And then you can see all we have to do is either click on that, find our track, or just drag and drop it in there. It's that easy. But I just want to click here to look at some of the information first before we do that. And you can see, add that finished sound to your tracks, then get back to making music. That's what I want to do. Mastering, to do it properly, takes a lot of skill and a lot of time. And that's why there's master engineers out there, and they do a great job. So you can see we're going to have some options here. It looks like some EQ options, warmer, brighter, lows or highs. Also, it looks like there's going to be quality options for downloading: Ultra HD, which is 24-bit 48K, high quality, which is your CD quality, 16-bit 44.1, and then you have medium quality, which is an MP3. Then if you're impressed with the mastered track that you get back from doing the free one, you can sign up for $99 per year and do unlimited mastering. This can be excellent if you don't have a lot of time to do the mastering yourself, you don't have the skill set to do the mastering yourself. You sign up to this, it's going to do it for you. Now, let's check out what the quality is going to be like. So I'm going to go back to that page now, and we're just going to load up a file in here. So here's the track that I want to master. It's uploading it. All right, so it's uploaded the track. Now it's saying generating mastering source file. So it's just going to go through this process. Looks like it's going to take a little bit of time. All right, so it's done its thing. I've got my headphones on. I'm ready to listen to this. And we can start just by listening to the mastered track here. All right, so I think I like these settings here. One thing I wish this had is level matching. So when I go to the original, I wish the levels matched the master, so it'd be easier to hear what's going on. So let's say this is what I want to go with. Let's click on download mastered track. And it even shows you the settings that we chose. So I chose the medium intensity and the neutral EQ because I was noticing it was a little bassy when I put it to the warmer section. All right, it's done the mastering for the whole track. And yeah, we have access to 3 different versions. We have the MP3, the CD quality, and then our Ultra HD quality. So that's the one I'm going to download. Click on that, click save, and it is downloaded. So let's just play it back again. This song's going to be on my upcoming album, and I would release it like this, straight from this mastering service like that. It sounds great. I'm really impressed with Mixea. Now, if you want to see how you can get verified and customize your artist account on Spotify, click this video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.